So it's already 7:30 in the evening and now pupunta kami ni Pat, ang aking forever date, sa City Walk, and kung hindi magbago yung isip niya, kakain kami sa Daikan, and maybe after that we'll go to a coffee shop. See ya! My date for today. Hi! Grabe!
Hello!
Ang ganda pa din! Nakakainis!
See you around! Enjoy Australia and enjoy the US. Bye-bye!
Bye! I'm using the Ultra Rich Wash from L'Occitane. And it's mabango. Smells like Johnson & Johnson. Extra gentle lotion. Also smells like Johnson. Ipabango siya in fairness. Pwede na akong kumain. Charot! Sarap.
Pero sana mas maraming slices ng prutas.
Hi! Welcome back to my channel.
Merry Christmas! This is my last Christmas here in Dubai. And tomorrow is her birthday. So ngayon, nandito kami sa Kuya. Hi! Shout out kay Chef James.
Kumars!
Then, saka yung drinks na lang sa...
Alright.
Kasi ito yung mas maganda. Ayun na ating yung tignan. Thank you.
Thank you, Kumars!
Thank you,
for the
Kumars.
complimentary turon. Hi! Good afternoon!
Welcome back to my channel.
So today is our sister Cecil's birthday. Happy birthday! So we're going to Josette. We're gonna have business lunch for her birthday. It's real. Cheers, ladies! Happy birthday, Cecil! Okay, sister, so what's your verdict?
Perfect.
What about you, birthday girl?
Okay lang. Puro gulay.
Hindi niya bet, pero masarap siya. Refreshing.
Taste test for
that along our aubergine. Lasa siyang masaya.
So
Ang mag-diet na ako. So, tig-isa kami ng steak. But we have different sauce. Ito si Josette.
Mushroom.
peppercorn.
Pero ito naman para sa patay.
Parang kulang.
Happy birthday, sister. Blow. Blow on the screen.
Yay! Happy birthday, sister! Happy birthday, Happy birthday to you! Thank you!
Work and stop, girls.
Ate, ako na.
So we're now here sa public. Yes, so after the picture taking, kakain na kami ng tiramisu. First time for her.